Discover the lucrative world of user testing in our video, Making Money with User Testing, providing valuable feedback. Learn how sharing your insights on websites and apps can earn you money. We guide you through easy steps to start, from finding user testing platforms to giving impactful feedback.
Making money with user testing, providing valuable feedback. Hey there, Millionaire Ventures online family. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money with user testing, providing valuable feedback. Just like we've explored the realms of Facebook advertising and Instagram influencer growth, we're now turning our attention to a simple yet effective way to earn. User testing is all about sharing your thoughts on products and websites, helping companies improve while you make money. Before we jump into the details, hit that subscribe button to join our journey of money-making adventures. Remember our deep dive into fintech innovations? We're bringing the same clarity and opportunity to user testing. Meet Alex, a college student making extra cash through user testing. We'll walk you through the process, showing you how to provide feedback that pays. Ready to turn your opinions into income? Let's get started. What is user testing and why should you care? What is user testing and how can it fill your pockets? User testing is like being a secret shopper for websites and apps. Companies create these digital spaces and need real people to test them before they go live to the world. Your role is to act like a typical user, navigate the site or app, and then provide feedback on your experience. It's like telling a friend what you love or don't love about their new recipe. Companies need your thoughts to make their products better. And the best part? They pay you for your time and opinions. Now, why should you care about user testing? It's a chance to influence the digital tools and spaces you use every day. Your feedback helps shape the future of these platforms, making them more user-friendly and enjoyable for everyone. Plus, it's a flexible way to earn extra cash from the comfort of your home, or anywhere you have internet access. Step 1. Find user testing sites. Start your journey at websites like usertesting.com, TryMyUI, or Validately. These platforms connect you with companies that need feedback. Signing up is usually free and straightforward. Step 2. Set up your profile. Create a profile by sharing details about yourself. Include your age, interests, tech skills, and the devices you own. This information helps match you with the right user testing opportunities. Step 3. Take practice tests. Some sites offer practice tests to help you understand what's expected. These trials are your chance to get comfortable with the process. They don't pay, but they're valuable for making sure you're ready for real paid tests. Step 4. Start testing. Once you're all set up and have passed any necessary practice tests, you can start taking real tests. Follow the instructions carefully, navigate the app or website, and speak your thoughts aloud as you go. After the test, you'll typically fill out a survey or answer questions about your experience. Be honest, clear, and detailed in your feedback. By following these steps, you can start earning money through user testing. It's a simple and flexible way to add some extra income while also having a say in how future digital products are developed. Remember, your opinion matters and can lead to better experiences for users worldwide. So dive in, share your thoughts, and watch your wallet grow. How to give feedback that pays. Your honest opinion is powerful. Companies need your feedback to make their websites and apps better. When you tell them what's good or bad, they listen and improve, and you get paid for helping. Here's how to make your feedback count and earn money. Step 1. Be clear and detailed. Explain what you like or don't like and why. The more specific you are, the more helpful your feedback is. This can lead to more tests and better pay. Step 2. Think aloud. As you use the site or app, say everything you're thinking. If something is confusing or great, mention it. Your real-time thoughts are incredibly valuable. Step 3. Focus on the task. Complete the tasks given during the test. Be thorough and give detailed feedback on these tasks. This shows you're good at testing, which can lead to more opportunities. Step 4. Provide useful suggestions. If you have ideas to make it better, share them. Companies love when you help them improve. Your suggestions can make you a favorite tester and increase your earnings. By being detailed, speaking your thoughts, focusing on tasks, and suggesting improvements, you're not just earning money, you're shaping the future of digital products. Dive in, share your insights, and turn your feedback into a rewarding side hustle. Maximizing your earnings with user testing. How can you make more money with user testing? Just like we showed you ways to earn through Google Maps and Instagram Reels, user testing has its own set of strategies to boost your earnings. Here's how you can turn your feedback into a more lucrative side hustle. Step 1. Sign up for multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one site. The more platforms you join, like UserTesting.com, TryMyUI, and Validately, the more tests you'll have access to. Each site has different clients and projects, increasing your chances of finding tests that fit your profile. Step 2. Keep your profile updated. Life changes, and so do your interests and skills. Regularly update your profile to reflect any new languages you might speak, tech gadgets you use, or hobbies you've picked up. The more up-to-date your profile is, the more likely you'll match with tests that are looking for someone just like you. Step 3. Be quick to accept tests. User tests are often first come, first served. Keep an eye on your email or the testing platform so you can grab opportunities as soon as they appear. Being quick to accept tests means you'll complete more of them, and more tests mean more money. Step 4. Build a good reputation. Quality is key in user testing. Provide thoughtful, detailed feedback and follow the test instructions closely. A good reputation can lead to higher-paying tests and even direct invitations from companies. Some platforms also rate testers, and a higher rating can unlock more and better opportunities. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success in the user testing world. Remember, every test is a chance to prove your value and increase your earning potential. Stay active, stay accurate, and watch as your efforts turn into a rewarding stream of income. Happy testing. Turning feedback into a steady side hustle. How can you make user testing a reliable part of your income? Transforming user testing from a casual moneymaker into a steady side hustle is like nurturing a plant. It needs time, care, and the right strategies to flourish. Here's how you can cultivate your user testing gig into a reliable source of income. Step 1. Schedule regular testing times. Consistency is key. Set aside specific times each week dedicated to taking tests, just like you would for a part-time job. This regularity ensures a steady flow of work and income. Early mornings, lunch breaks, or quiet evenings can become your prime testing times. Step 2. Keep learning. The digital world is always evolving, and so should you. Enhance your skills by watching tutorials on user experience and design, or reading articles about the latest app trends. The more you understand the digital landscape, the more valuable and insightful your feedback will be. Step 3. Network with other testers. Join online communities or forums where fellow testers share tips and tricks. Networking with others can lead to learning about the best platforms, higher-paying tests, and common pitfalls to avoid. Sometimes, other testers might refer you to private testing opportunities or exclusive platforms. Step 4. Stay patient and persistent. Like any good thing, building a reliable income stream takes time. Don't get discouraged if things start slow. Keep delivering high-quality feedback, and over time, you'll find yourself getting more frequent and better-paying tests. Your reputation will grow, and so will your opportunities. By following these steps, you're not just doing tests, you're building a business. Each test is a brick in your structure of steady income. With regular effort, continuous learning, and a bit of networking, your user testing side hustle can become a dependable part of your financial landscape. So keep at it, stay focused, and watch as your feedback turns into a fruitful venture. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on making money through user testing. Just like we've navigated through the secrets of Amazon affiliate marketing and SMS marketing strategies, today, we've unlocked another door to earning online. Remember, your opinion is powerful and can lead to a nice side income. So dive in, provide valuable feedback, and watch as your wallet gets happier. Don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online for more money-making wisdom. Take these steps, apply them, and start your journey to earning through user testing today. You've got this.